I was at my daughter's, not her commencement, but her parent orientation, first year of college, and the university president said something that really resonated with me. He said, many college students, especially those that have lived through COVID and were isolated from their peers for a period of time, they oftentimes have trouble connecting, right? They were told to disconnect. And so here at this university, we're very adamant about helping university students connect. And I'm going to teach you right now the recipe of connection. And by the way, this is great advice. He said, connection takes two primary ingredients. Number one, it's empathy. In other words, you need to listen to what other people are saying and actually feel what they're feeling, whether it be good or whether it be bad. But you need to feel that. Number one, empathy. Number two is vulnerability. In other words, you need to reveal what you're feeling. Okay, so other people can't feel empathy for you if you never tell them or share with them how you're feeling. And this is one of the keys to being great in a sales profession, is to not be so scripted and robotic that people don't feel like they're talking to a real human. Actually be okay with talking to someone, uncovering a problem, and sitting with them in that. That is one of the most powerful things that you can do for someone, is to be okay with the fact that things are not okay. Because if people don't feel that, if they don't sit in that with you and realize that, yeah, we have a problem, they might not ever change it. And they might go on trying to numb themselves to the fact that they could be so much more. So it's okay to connect with people. It's okay to be vulnerable. It's okay to let other people be vulnerable. Don't kind of skate over that like, oh, well, I'm sure it'll be okay. No, don't do that. Dig in, lock in, and be okay with people not being in a great spot, and then help them get out of it, right? But connect with people. They need that more than ever today. Not just college students, but your clients need that. Your teammates need that. Your spouse, loved ones, your kids need that. Learn how to connect with people.